Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about how to create your own character from image. Now we are going to write our script to create this image with AI image. After that we can generate it and create 3D character like that and insert it to Unreal Engine, and you can use it as a 3D character player and create our nice environment, and how to insert any light and create a night mode like that, and how to play with your setting in Unreal Engine. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. So first of all, we need to go to designer.microsoft.com and you can create your own account for free. After that, we can create our image from here. We can choose humanoid 3D 3 characters, human 3D character with T-pose, white background. I think this one nice. Okay, we can choose this one. Download. Okay. So after that we can go to Hyper 3D AI and we can insert our photo from here, and we can generate. Wait a little bit. So if you look here, we have our 3D model now. Okay, we can redo for better result, but I find it nice. Next, done. Okay, so I'm going to choose smooth. After that we can confirm. Okay, so now we have our model, and we need to generate texture. Okay, after that we can choose GLB and generate. Wait a little bit. So now we have our character. Okay, choose GLB. After that, download. Confirm material. Material hasn't been confirmed. Do you want to confirm to download? Okay, confirm. Okay, you can extract it. After that, we can choose our character. This one. We can go to a new level and we can create empty level. So we can insert our character here. Okay. Go to number 3 for example, and drag and drop your character here. Import. Okay, wait a little bit. Now we have our character. Okay, so we can make nice setup for light or something like that. Okay, here. Okay, or we can insert any ground. So HDR light backdrop. Okay, so if you don't know how to insert HDR, if you didn't find HDR light, we can go to edit and plugin HDR and check this one. So after that we can create any plan, for example from here, plan. Okay, this one, blend 1000. Okay, We can insert any water material, for example, water, river. Okay, nice. We can make HDR drop to be 1570. Okay, so we can put it here. Okay, if you want to add any ground, for example, ground, we can take this one, for example. Okay, we can remove this one and take this one, but like that. Look, so we can remove it a little bit, rotate it a little bit. Okay, nice. Maybe we can add any grass here or something like that. If you want to add light, fog, for example, fog, directional light, directional light. Okay, Control L to put your shadow in the right way. Okay, nice. After that we can insert our fog light. Okay, so if you look here, we don't have any fog light. Why? Because we need to enable volumetric fog. Look, nice, but we need to choose our fog color like that. Okay, and we need to go to intensity to be 0.1. Good. After that, maybe we can start here. Okay, look, start from where? From this area. Look, amazing. We can change our emissive color. Okay, HD, maybe we can make this one to be 2 directional light. So if you want to add any flower or something like that here, we can add any flower. Any kind of flower here, for example. Okay, duplicate it here. If you want to play with HDR backdrop, we can choose the color mode to be at night mode, for example, like that. Okay, and we can make directional light to be 0.1, and the HDR backdrop to be 0.1. Look, so you can play fog light. Maybe we can make 0.01 or 0. You can close it. If you want to learn more about Unreal Engine, you can subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.